Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how teacher can watch students during online examination on Google Meet. Yes, using Google Meet and Google Form we can conduct online exam and we can able to see the students. First, teachers to instruct the students the three important information. Number 1, the students should install two browsers in their mobile. Number 2, they need to join Google Meet meeting. Number 3, use the split screen option in the student's mobile. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, now this is for teachers. So teachers should do the two steps. One is create a meeting link and second one is create a question paper using Google Form. So this is a Google Form. So I have created for the demo session, and if you want to create a Google Form with a timer, you can able to see the description box. I have given the how to create a Google Form with a timer. So this is a timer option. So the teacher, myself, I have given 12:30 to 1:15 the exam going to be start. 12:30 is the exam going to start and end time will be is 1:15. The 45 minutes I have given. So the link will be there. So you can share the link to the students before exam starting. So if the students also click the link, means it will show you the history of press will be available 12 minutes, so that don't worry about your examination question will be leaked or not. The time if you mention means that time only the question paper will open to all the students. So you need to copy the link which you created from the Google Form. Number 1. The second one, you need to create a meeting and you need to send the meeting link to the students. Yes, so first I would like to create the link, examination link, and I would like to share with my students. Yes, so two students have selected. I have given exam link. I copy and paste. This is the exam link. First mail I used to give my examination paper. Yes, I can send now. Yes. The second step the teacher should do, create a meeting. So online exam. So I have created the online exam, and so I just click join now. I can copy the link. I can share with the students using WhatsApp or email. So these two steps is important. So teachers should send the link, online examination link, the Google Form, the online question paper should send first, and second one the meeting link. So this is a major important thing. So the teacher works gets over. Students should do the three steps, the three instruction they have to do. The first one, if they have the default browser in their mobile, Google Chrome, so let it be there. Yes. And the second one, go to the Play Store and install Kiwi browser. Just type Kiwi browser. So I have given the description link also, you can install. So this is two browser you need to install. One browser your camera will be working. One browser your exam test will be start. This is the Kiwi browser and this is a Google Chrome browser. One browser for meeting link, one browser for Google Chrome. Just click a Google Chrome browser and they have to select desktop site. So once they click desktop site, the Google Chrome will be changed as a desktop site. Yes. Now imagine the students will received a mail from the teacher. The first link, meeting link, is received from the teacher, and the second link, examination link, exam link. So first link is Google Meeting ID. Just press long press, they can copy the URL and open Chrome browser, select desktop site should be there and paste the link on the top. just click enter. Automatically the meeting will start with Chrome browser. Just click join now. Yes, so your teacher can admit you. So you should switch on the camera. Your camera is on. Make sure your camera is on here. Yes, the second step you need to do, minimize this button and go to the same mail ID and go to the second link, examination link. Just press long press and copy URL, and what we install the browser, Kiwi browser, just click and paste. Just long press on the address bar and paste it. Yes, my link will be pasted here. Just click. So automatically your examination link also will be pasted here. So examination will be start with a 3 minutes time. Now the major important thing, you need to split the screen so that your teacher can able to see your video. Just press in your right hand side corner, you will find the box option. Just press this, you will find a Kiwi browser and Chrome browser. Everything will be there. Whatever menus you open, everything will be displayed here. So you will find the 3 dots in the top. Just press long press that, it will ask you split screen option. All the smartphone will have the split screen. Just hit the button split screen. So it will direct you to second option, Gmail or Google Chrome. Just select Google Chrome. Yeah, so now my Google Chrome also working. My examination paper also will be here. So the teacher can able to see your video as well as you can able to attend the test. So now I'm skipping into the teacher's view. This is a teacher view. So teacher can able to see the students. The students can able to start the examination after the minute starts. So the teacher can view the students. Imagine the students is there. Yes. So one more student is going to join now. The teacher will get one more students is going to join. So one more students also joined here, so they can see their video also. So the teacher can able to see both students are working. So both students are started. So now both students are having the mobile phone, so they can able to see the teacher. This is a teacher view. This monitor is teacher's view. So imagine this one is a student and second one is another student. So both two students having the mobile phone and they are having the information. So the split screen option will help the students can able to see the teacher and attend the test. Yes. So now moving to the students view, here I can find out. So my videos are one more students also is here. So now I can start my test. My Google Meet will be there. I can click and start my test. My test will be started here. So minutes is running there. I can give my basic information so that I can attend the test. The teacher also can able to see my screen. Yes. So name of the student. So I can peacefully type whatever I want. This is a Kiwi browser. And one more browser my videos is running is a Google Chrome. So you can able to understand yes 10th A section, and I can give next option. I can choose the answers, which answer is correct. I can choose according to my answer. I can read all the information and I can give my test. So the teacher also peacefully they can see. They can sit and see the students what they are doing. Everything will be displayed there. So once the students is complete their information, just they can submit, so that automatically the students submission also recorded here, and teacher also during the online examination, teacher also can able to see the students. So this is a student's view. So teachers also can able to see the students. So you can accommodate around 10 or 50 students, and you can see the once the teacher can click the tile, change the layout, they can choose the tiled option so that all the students will be there in the online test. just they can drag, means the split screen will be closed. So this is an easy step. You can able to understand the students, and teacher can be able to see all the students. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.